Hello, my name is Dietmar Botosch, Product Manager in the door technology area at Gazer. Today, I would like to inform you about an update to our wireless ceiling-mounted detectors. These are part of our popular FA-GC170 wireless extension for hold open systems. The new models can be clearly visually differentiated from their predecessors by a black ring. To reduce the work required and your costs, we have extended the battery life from 5 to 8 years. The new GC172 and GC173 models now have 2 batteries of the same type. We provide you with a complete package, and you do not need to purchase a separate smoke switch control unit. Of course, the new detectors can also be integrated into existing systems. Whether in historically preserved buildings or in new constructions with exposed concrete, all of the advantages you expect from a wireless extension are retained. Do you have further questions? Please contact us. Whether in the comments, by email or by telephone, our experts are glad to help.